Apple's first foldable iPhone, expected to launch as part of the iPhone 18 series around late 2026, promises to redefine the smartphone experience with a book-style foldable design. The device is rumored to feature a large inner display of about 7.7 to 7.8 inches for a tablet-like experience and a smaller outer screen around 5.3 to 5.5 inches for regular phone use, all built on advanced OLED technology to minimize crease visibility. Its chassis will likely combine titanium and aluminum for strength and lightweight durability. Inside, the phone is expected to run Apple's next-generation A-series chip, paired with around 12 gigabytes of RAM and 5G connectivity. For security, Apple may include Touch ID in the power button, while the camera setup could feature a dual rear array and front cameras for both displays. Other anticipated features include MagSafe wireless charging, an eSIM-only design, and a battery optimized to balance endurance with a slim foldable form factor. Overall, the foldable iPhone aims to merge flagship performance, premium design, and innovative folding technology into a single device.